Hey everybody, Leann Forst here. Hey, I wanted to connect with you today to tell you about some of my favorite doTERRA health products for energy. So energy was always something that I struggled with, especially after full menopause. And I know that I hear from a lot of my clients that they struggle with it too. So I thought I would connect with you to let you know about some of my favorite things that I like to do daily for energy to help increase my energy. So my first favorite product is Mito 2 Max. So I love this supplement because it is going to give you, it's going to be a natural stimulant. So it's going to help you get away from caffeine. I feel like it gives you more energy than the caffeine because it's not only going to support your mitochondrial function, but also help to increase circulation as well as increase stamina and increase your cellular energy. And so it has things like cordyceps mushrooms in it, adaptogens like ashwagandha. It's also got CoQ10 for circulation, and green tea extract. So Mito 2 Max is one of my favorite supplements for energy. The other thing I like is every morning I'm going to roll on my Motivate. It just smells amazing. I put it right here on my wrist, rub them together. It has some peppermint in it, and I feel like it gives me a little pep in my step in the morning. Next, for energy, I love to diffuse rosemary essential oil. And I might even blend it with, my favorite blend is rosemary plus Siberian fir. And both of those just help wake me up. They smell amazing. And rosemary is one of the best known oils for brain health. And so it's one that's going to really, if I have a lot to get done, rosemary is going to be diffusing by my laptop. Okay, and then lastly, I really like Trim Shake. Number one, it just tastes good. I like the vanilla. It comes in chocolate as well. But it's not like any other protein shake. In fact, it is a little bit different. You can't really find the same formula anywhere in the grocery store because it has ashwagandha in it, which helps to balance your cortisol throughout the day. So think about it. That's afternoon crash. When your cortisol is going up and down, then your energy is going to go up and down with it. And so ashwagandha is an adaptogen that helps to balance out that cortisol and helps to address that stubborn fat that tends to gather around the waist to the middle, right? So it has adaptogen, then it has another blend, special blend of proteins with whey and egg protein to help give you a complete protein profile. So anyway, those are my favorite tricks for energy. And I'd love to hear from you if you've tried them and how do they work for you. So anyway, that's it. Bye for now.